gone to Great Ocean Road. We have seen the 12 Apostles.
Phillip Island is a penguin is a fantastic.
We have gone to the Yarra Valley. We have fed some kangaroos. All that was really cool. Yeah.
Actually, they experience the Australian country and Australian wildlife and the life outside the big cities in Australia. And they enjoy that.
Yeah, it was very interesting to watch those sheep get shipped.
And on campus here, every Thursday they have table tennis and Jenga and the games playing on, and that's always enjoyed by all.